Delhi has 70 constituencies, 58 general, and SC constituencies are 12. If I come to the voter profile, voters, there are 1.55 crore voters as per the electoral rolls declared yesterday by the CO. 83.49 lakhs male and 71.74 female. Young voters are also 25.89. First time voters are 2.08 lakhs. This is what we are trying everywhere to get new voters. If we look at the PWD voters, there are 830 centenarian voters also. We have worked on transgender voters. We want them to please come and join us. There are 1.0985 plus voters. If I come to polling stations, there are 13,033 polling stations spread over 2,697 polling locations. Average is only 1191. ये भी एक प्रश्न पूछा गया था कि वोटर्स को संख्या ज़्यादा क्यों है. Average is 1191. Across the country, the number ceiling is 1,500. There are some booths in Delhi which are 1,500 and plus, which will have auxiliary booths. और इस बार अगर आपने मुंबई का जिक्र देखा होगा, अर्बन एरियाज की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो बहुत फैसिलिटेशन बूथ्स में किया गया था. दिल्ली में भी वही तैयारी है. दिल्ली में भी बूथ्स को बहुत सुंदर बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. जब आप रोल से पोल की बात करते हैं और जब पोलिंग स्टेशन पे आएंगे तो आपका अनुभव, आपका एहसास सुखद रहे, इसकी हम पूरी प्रयास करेंगे. प्लीज कम टू वोट इन लार्जर नंबर्स. डेट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन विल बी 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th. And 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं सब दिल्ली वाले वोट करें, इसलिए इस बार भी महाराष्ट्र की तरह हमने इसको वेडनेसडे में रखा है. Entire election process after counting will be complete by 10th. And this is, we are doing elections in by-polls also, in Milkipur in UP and Erode in Tamil Nadu. Before you ask me why other by-polls are not being done, let me answer it here. Save one question from you. You can ask another question. There are two constituencies in J&K which are also due for election, Badgaon and Nagarota. Because of snow conditions, we will do it later. We still have time till April. Before that, we will complete those elections. There are two more. One is Basirghat in West Bengal, parliamentary constituency, and one is Bisabadar in Gujarat MLA Assembly constituency. In both these cases, both are PC, sorry. In both these cases, there are election petitions pending, and the rule is that if a election petition is pending, we do not do by-elections there. The moment EPs are decided, we'll be ready to do it, as was the case with Milkipur earlier.